Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. Today we'll solve some of the most important MCQs on the polity. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like, share and comment. And one more thing, I have also solved the MCQs on different topics. You can watch it from my playlist. Okay, let's get started. First question, which schedule of the Indian Constitution deals with the anti-defection? The correct answer is option D, 10th schedule. Next question. Which article deals with the impeachment of President of India? The correct answer is option D, Article 61. Which of the following is not a fundamental duty under the Indian Constitution? The correct answer is option C, to vote in elections. The Sarkaria Commission was set up to review the relationship between. The correct answer is option C, the center and the state. Okay, remember, the Sarkaria Commission was set up to review the relationship between center and the states. Next question. Who can initiate the impeachment proceedings against the President of India? The correct answer is option C, both Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. The preamble of the Indian Constitution was amended by which constitutional amendment? The correct answer is option B, 42nd Amendment. Socialist, secular and integrity has been added through this amendment to the preamble of our constitution. Next question. Which article of the constitution allows the parliament to make laws on state list subjects under the certain circumstance? The correct answer is option C, Article 249. Which constitutional amendment added the word socialist, secular and integrity to the preamble? Just now we saw this in previous question. The correct answer is option C, 42nd Amendment. Next question is, which writ is issued by the courts to prevent a person from holding a public office to which they are not entitled? The correct answer is option D, quo warranto. Next question. The concept of Union of States in India implies option B, federalism with a strong center. Next question. The idea of a fundamental rights in the Indian Constitution is borrowed from. The correct answer is option B, American Constitution. Remember, fundamental rights are borrowed from the American Constitution. Next question. The Vice President of India can act as a president for maximum period of. The correct answer is option B, 6 months. Vice President can act as a president for maximum of 6 months. Next question. Which schedule of the Indian Constitution contains provisions for the administration of the tribal areas? The correct answer is option B, 5th schedule. The term procedure established by law is borrowed from which country's constitution? The correct answer is option C, Japan. Next question. Which of the following is a non-justiciable right? The correct answer is option D, right to work. What is the minimum age to become the Prime Minister of India? The correct answer is option B, 25 years. The term of Lok Sabha is fixed at option B, 5 years. The maximum strength of Rajya Sabha is option C, 250 members. Next question. Which article of the Indian Constitution deals with the abolition of untouchability? The correct answer is option C, Article 17. How many types of emergencies are envisaged by the Indian Constitution? The correct answer is option B, 3. The President of India submits their resignation to. The correct answer is option A, Vice President. Next question. The anti-defection law was enacted by which constitutional amendment? The correct answer is option B, 52nd Amendment. The President can promulgate the ordinance during. The correct answer is option C, when the Parliament is not in session. Next question. Which of the following pair is correctly matched? The correct answer is option B, state list 61 subjects. It is not 80. Union list has 97 subjects and in concurrent list we have 52 subjects and state list we have 61 subjects. Okay, we'll go for the next question. The term state in part 3 of the Constitution includes. The correct answer is option D, union, state and local governments. It is defined under the Article 12 of the Constitution. Okay, next question. Who decides disputes regarding the election of the President of India? The correct answer is option C, the Supreme Court. Which article of the Indian Constitution provides for the establishment of Finance Commission? The correct answer is option B, Article 280. What is the minimum number of judges required to decide a constitutional bench in the Supreme Court? The correct answer is option B, 5. Next question. The power of judicial review in India is vested in. The correct answer is option C, the Supreme Court and High Courts. Okay, remember the power of the judicial review is vested in the Supreme Court and High Courts. Next question. How many fundamental rights are currently guaranteed by the Indian Constitution? The correct answer is option A, 6. In original Constitution we had 7 fundamental rights. Later, through the 44th Amendment, the right to property has been removed from the Constitution. Later it is made as legal right under the Article 300A. Okay, next question. Which amendment of the Indian Constitution introduced the Goods and Service Tax, that is GST? The correct answer is option C, 101st Amendment. Next question. The Constitution Scheduled Tribes Order 1950 is related to which article? The correct answer is option B, Article 342. Next question. The concept of equality before law is derived from which country's legal system? The correct answer is option B, UK. Next question. Who among the following can be a member of the both Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha simultaneously? The correct answer is option D, no one. Next question. The Indian Parliament consists of? The correct answer is option B, Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha and the President. Next question. Under the Article 280, the Finance Commission is constituted by? The correct answer is option B, the President. Which committee suggested the three-tier Panchayati Raj system? The correct answer is option A, Balwant Rai Mehta Committee. Next question. The provision of free legal aid to the poor is enshrined in which article? The correct answer is option C, the Article 39A. Next question. What is the tenure of the Election Commissioner of India? The correct answer is option B, 6 years or until the age of 65, whichever is earlier. Next question. Which constitutional amendment lowered the voting age from 21 to 18 years? The correct answer is option A, 61st Amendment. Next question. Which state was the first to implement the Panchayati Raj system in India? The correct answer is option A, Rajasthan. Which article mentions the protection of monuments and places of the national importance? The correct answer is option C, Article 49. Next question. Who among the following is referred to as the keeper of the conscience of the Constitution? The correct answer is option D, Comptroller and Auditor General. Next question. The instruments of instructions mentioned in the Government of India Act 1935 has been incorporated into the Indian Constitution in which part? The correct answer is option C, Directive Principles of State Policy. What is the quorum for joint sitting of the Indian Parliament? The correct answer is option A, 1/4 of the total membership. Next question. The term fraternity in the Indian preamble aims at? Option A, ensuring dignity of the individual. The fraternity assures the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. Dignity of the individual and unity and integrity of the nation. The power to decide an election petition is vested in? The correct answer is option C, High Court. Next question. The right to property was removed from the list of fundamental rights by the which amendment? The correct answer is option C, 44th Amendment. Next question. Which article of the Indian Constitution guarantees the protection of life and personal liberty? The correct answer is option C, Article 21. Next question. Who has the authority to establish a new All India service? The correct answer is Option A, Parliament. Next question. The Speaker of the Lok Sabha is elected by. The correct answer is option C, all members of the Lok Sabha. Next question. What is the minimum number of judges of the Supreme Court required for hearing any cases involving interpretation of the Constitution? The correct answer is option C, 5. Which constitutional amendment is known for introducing Panchayati Raj institutions in India? The correct answer is option B, 73rd Amendment. Next question. What is the official language of the Union under the Indian Constitution? The correct answer is option C, both Hindi and English. Both Hindi and English can be used as the official language. Next question. Who appoints the Attorney General of India? The correct answer is option D, President. The directive principles of state policy are aimed at. The correct answer is option B, establishing economic and social democracy. It is the aim of the fundamental rights. Next question. Which body is responsible for deciding the delimitation of constituencies in India? The correct answer is option B, Delimitation Commission. Chief Minister of State is appointed by the Governor. The concept of public interest litigation originated in. The correct answer is option B, USA. Next question. The Supreme Court has advisory jurisdiction under which article? The correct answer is option D, Article 143. Next question. The provision of joint sitting of the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha is mentioned in which article of the Constitution? The correct answer is option B, Article 108. Next question. The minimum age for election as a member of the Rajya Sabha is. The correct answer is option C, 30 years. Who among the following act as the chairman of the Rajya Sabha? The correct answer is option C, Vice President of India. Next question. The fundamental right to equality of opportunity in public employment is enshrined in which article? The correct answer is option C, Article 16. Next question. Which amendment of the Constitution added the words education up to the age of 14 years in the directive principles of state policy? The correct answer is option C, 86th Amendment. Next question. The Governor can reserve a bill for the consideration of the President under which article? The correct answer is option C, Article 200. Next question. The power to create or abolish a legislative council in a state is vested in. The correct answer is option C, the Parliament. Next question. Which of the following is not a parliamentary committee? The correct answer is option C, Interstate Council. Next question. Interstate Council was established under which article of the Constitution? The correct answer is option B, Article 263. Next question. Who was the chairman of the drafting committee of the Indian Constitution? The correct answer is option B, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Next question. Which article provides for the prohibition of the child labor in hazardous industries? The correct answer is option C, Article 24. Next question. The Constitution of India was adopted on. The correct answer is option B, 26 November of 1949. Next question. Who has the power to dissolve the Lok Sabha before the completion of its term? The correct answer is option C, President. President has the power to dissolve the Lok Sabha before the completion of its term. The power of judiciary to review laws enacted by the legislature is called. The correct answer is option A, judicial review. The basic structure doctrine was established in which case? The correct answer is option B, Keshavanand Bharati versus State of Kerala. Next question. What is the tenure of Panchayat? The correct answer is 5 years. Option C. Next question. Which article allows the Parliament to amend the Constitution? The correct answer is option C, Article 368. Next question. The Indian Constitution borrowed the idea of directive principles from. Option C, Ireland. DPSPs have been borrowed from the Ireland. Next question. The right to constitutional remedies is guaranteed under which article? The correct answer is option B, Article 32. Which of the following is not included in the right to freedom? The correct answer is option D, freedom to own property. It is not included in the right to freedom. Next question. Who was the first Chief Election Commissioner of India? The correct answer is option A, Sukumar Sen. Next question. Which constitutional amendment granted statehood to Goa? The correct answer is option A, 55th Amendment. Next question. The right to education was made a fundamental right through which amendment? The correct answer is option A, 86th Amendment. Next question. In the Indian Constitution, the residuary powers are vested in. The correct answer is option B, Union Parliament. Next question. The Supreme Court's decision in which case made it mandatory for the candidates to declare their criminal records during elections? The correct answer is option C, Union of India versus Association for Democratic Reforms. Next question. The maximum permissible strength of the Legislative Assembly of a state is option C, 500. Next question. The provision for Consolidated Fund of India is contained in which article? The correct answer is option A, Article 266. Next question. The anti-defection law applies to. The correct answer is both the elected and nominated members. Next question. The Chief Justice of India is appointed by option B, President. Chief Justice of India is appointed by the President. Next question. Which of the following is not a fundamental right? The correct answer is right to property. Option C. It is not a fundamental right. Earlier it was, but now it is a legal right. Next question. The money bill can be introduced in option A, Lok Sabha only. Next question. The term secular in the Indian Constitution means? The correct answer is option D, equal treatment of all religions. Next question. The concept of single citizenship in India is borrowed from? The correct answer is option A, UK. Next question. The 73rd Amendment of the Constitution is related to option B, Panchayati Raj institutions. Next question. The oath of office to the President of India is administered by? The correct answer is option C, Chief Justice of India. Next question. Under the Indian Constitution, the term state includes? The correct answer is option C, legislative executive. Article 12 of the Constitution of India doesn't specifically define the judiciary. Okay, so it is not there. Only these two, legislative along with the local bodies. Next question. Who among the following is considered the guardian of the Constitution? The correct answer is option C, Supreme Court of India. Next question. Which article mentions the special status of the Jammu and Kashmir? The correct answer is option B, Article 370. Next question. The 9th schedule was introduced in the Indian Constitution by? The correct answer is option A, First Amendment. Next question. When Parliament can legislate matters in the state list? The correct answer is option A, if Rajya Sabha passes the resolution by 2/3 of majority. Okay, so far we have solved the 100 MCQs on the Indian polity. And one more thing, I have also solved the MCQs on different topics. You can watch it from my playlist. If this video helps you in any way, please subscribe, like, share and comment. And also don't forget to press the bell icon for the upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.